Hello, lovely bakers. Today, we're making a rainbow-layered Fiesta cake, a showstopper that brings pure joy to any celebration. This cake is perfect for birthdays, sunny days, or whenever you need a burst of cheer. Don't worry if you're new to baking. I'll guide you step by step. For the cake, you'll need unsalted butter, caster sugar, large eggs, self-raising flour, vanilla extract, and food colorings in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. For the buttercream, soft, unsalted butter, icing sugar, whole milk, and vanilla extract. This recipe is simple, vibrant, and guaranteed to impress when you reveal those rainbow layers. Let's get started and fill your kitchen with color and happiness. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius fan. Cream together softened butter and caster sugar until pale and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each. If the mixture curdles, add a spoonful of flour. Fold in vanilla extract and sifted self-raising flour gently to keep the batter airy. Divide the batter evenly into 6 bowls and color each with a different food dye: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Grease and line 6 20cm round tins or bake in batches if needed. Pour each colored batter into its tin, smooth the tops, and bake for 20-25 minutes. Cakes are done when they spring back to the touch or a skewer comes out clean. Let the layers cool completely on a wire rack. Now let's make the buttercream. Beat soft butter until creamy, then gradually add sifted icing sugar and vanilla extract. Whip for 5 minutes until light and fluffy, adding milk as needed for a spreadable consistency. To assemble, start with the purple layer on your cake stand, spread buttercream, then stack blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, adding buttercream between each. Apply a thin crumb coat of buttercream over the whole cake to seal in crumbs. Chill the cake for 30 minutes to set the crumb coat. This step ensures a smooth finish for your final decoration. Take your time stacking for a tall, proud rainbow tower, ready for the final flourish. Cover the chilled cake with a generous layer of buttercream, smoothing or swirling as you like. Decorate with colorful sprinkles, edible glitter, or piped buttercream rosettes. Make it your own. Chill the cake again for 30 minutes for clean slicing. Use a sharp knife wiping between cuts to reveal those stunning rainbow layers. Your rainbow-layered Fiesta cake is ready to wow your guests. Share your creations and keep spreading joy one slice at a time. Happy baking, everyone!